Hey everyone, this is Aaron Forrester with Aaron's Eccentric Garage, and today I'm just going to be doing a very short video, which I'm going to title these short ones as a quick spin. So on today's quick spin, it's just going to be an update about what's going on, some of the content that's coming up, but also an unboxing directly from Japan for my Mazda RX-7. So I wanted to thank all of you, for starters, for watching my videos. I know they don't come out on a very regular basis. Part of the reason is because I'm a one-man show. So video, audio, lighting, all that stuff, editing, it's all on me. So it takes me a little bit longer, plus I have a full-time day job. But to give you an idea of what's coming up, I do have an upgrade for my braking system that we'll be covering. Also this part today that we'll be doing an unboxing. But something else that's going to be really cool is that this weekend I'm going to be driving up to historic Route 66 in Williams, Arizona for the annual JDM Classic Car Show. Now this is on that little tiny strip in Williams, Arizona, so it's really close to the Grand Canyon, just west of Flagstaff, Arizona. But the cool part is it's going to be a beautiful drive, driving up through Sedona, through some of the most beautiful northern Arizona countryside and drives, and also down the 89A, which is another historic drive in Arizona, also for United States. So without much further ado, let's go ahead and get to the unboxing of my newest project. Now, for some of you guys in the community, there is a website called RHD Japan, or Right Hand Drive Japan. Now, this company, what they do is they have all of these JDM parts manufacturers where you can get really cool stuff, drop ship, express straight from Japan over here to the United States. Now, last time I used them, I was getting some oil cooler ducts for my RX-7. Now, the downside was, ironically, somebody at the exact same time was ordering the same ducting that I was. So when they arrived, I received two left-hand sides, and then the gentleman received two right-hand drives. They had us communicate with each other and basically ended up working out to where we had to ship each other the corresponding duct. However, for my troubles and also all that kind of jazz, RHD, so Right Hand Drive Japan, they did give me some store credit, and I've been debating for a while, what should I use on my car that I haven't already purchased, that I really, really want from Japan. And I found something very, very cool, and that's what today's unboxing is going to be. So only thing I did was I just cut open the tape. I didn't do anything else, so you're going to see all the unboxing mess. So obviously, packing peanuts. Okay. And I'll get to what this is in just a second. But anyways, so not very not very special looking. All right. All right. There we go. And there we are. So today, what I am unboxing is a Zoom Engineering. Go ahead and zoom in on that. This is a twill carbon fiber Zoom Engineering rearview mirror. So why did I buy a rearview mirror out of carbon fiber for the RX-7? Well, here's a good thing. As some of you guys who've already seen my social media posts, who've seen the car in person, I have a decent amount of carbon fiber. So on the exterior alone, I have in carbon fiber the Garage Alpha license plate, the Shine Auto Mazda Speed splitter. Also from Shine Auto, the feed style side steps in carbon fiber. The custom finished carbon fiber side wings from Twins Design that were finished by Carbon Creator. My rear ducktail by Evo R. My carbon fiber rear privacy cover. Under the hood I have quite a bit of carbon fiber as well, including the M2 carbon fiber box, the intercooler ducting, the cooling panel, electrical component lid covers, and the Garage Alpha cowling and the upper intake manifold cover. So even my steering wheel, center console, door panels, gauge hood, all of that has been replaced with actual carbon fiber. So I've pretty much replaced just about all the plastic trim inside the car with matte carbon fiber. Now the only thing I really don't have in the car that hasn't been replaced has been my rear view mirror in carbon fiber as well. And I've been looking around for the Mazda Speed ones for a while, but those were never real carbon fiber. They were just carbon fiber look. I would have loved to have had a real one that had like the whole Mazda Speed logo on it from Mazda, but that wasn't gonna be possible. So I found through Right-Hand Drive Japan, the Zoom Engineering carbon fiber rear view mirror. And also because the way it's beveled, and you can see it's blue, it actually gives you an even wider angle of view. So it's gonna allow me to hopefully have a better look inside the car when I'm looking back to see who's behind me. Now installation for this is pretty straightforward. You go online, they have different kit options, and that's ultimately what this is. This is gonna be the installation kit for the RX-7 itself. Now because these are universal fit, you have to change out the application, so it's different types of screws and things like that. But the great news is that it's gonna work, and I'll be able to have another carbon fiber bit in my car. So I'm just gonna get to it and get it installed. Within a matter of just a few minutes, I now have a completely custom JDM part installed on my car. So pretty easy, pretty straightforward. So thanks again to Right-Hand Drive Japan. So until next time, safe driving.